In this tutorial, I will show you how to register for Quizstar as a student so that you can access your class and get to take all of the practice quizzes that I put in there for you. So you first want to go to quizstar.forteachers.org. The website is right up here. Once you're on here, you want to go down to student login page and go to Students Get Started. And you'll go to the sign up, yellow sign up arrow. Okay, now you have the student registration page, so you need to put your first name down here. All right, and since everyone is signing up for doing this Celebrate My Drive thing, I'll use Kelly Clarkson's name as a student name here. Okay, and her username I will put, I don't know, Spotted Kitty. That's just a guess. Okay, then a password. So basically you need your first and last name. It doesn't matter what your username is, and it doesn't matter what your password is, and then we can register. Okay, and it took this. Sometimes the username will be used by somebody else and you'll have to come up with a new username. So you want to click here to search for a new class. And the best way to do the search is under class 1, you want to type in the teacher's name. Just type in my last name, Simpson. Okay, that's it. And then choose the keyword search. This search engine is not that great. So it doesn't really narrow things down enough. So what you need to do is you need to scroll down to find my first and last name, Wendy Simpson, with my Parkland email in the middle here. Okay, there it is. I'm underneath the only Simpson that matters. That's how you can find me. And then here are the classes. Okay, so you can click on whatever class it is that you want to sign up for. So let's say you're in the GHP period 3-4 even day. You click on that, and then you click on register. Okay, so what you've done now is you've successfully registered or pre-enrolled to the class. Okay, then you can go to classes. If you get this little red notice, your registration enrollment is pending approval from the instructor for this course, you can't take any of the quizzes. You have to wait until your enrollment has been approved. Okay, so if we're back here and you're waited to get approved, you want to check if you've been approved. Go back into the student site. So you want to click on student site, and you want to click on the username, and I logged in as Kelly Clarkson, and I gave her username as Spotted Kitty. We are in, and here we are in GHP period 3-4 even. That's what the class that we want, and it says welcome Kelly Clarkson, so we're in the right class. And you'll notice it says 3 untaken quizzes. So we click on 3 untaken quizzes. And here we go. Here are the quizzes that you need to take. So there's the chapter 3 test practice. Okay. There's a copy of the density practice quiz. Actually, these guys are the same quiz right here. So you actually only have 2 quizzes here to take. And you can see the start date and the due date, and if you want to start taking the quiz, click on take. All right, click on start. I give notes from the instructor, including how much time you have, how many attempts you're allowed for the quiz. All right, so this quiz you only have 1 attempt, and there are all the quizzes. So you can go through, notice that there's a timer running. Okay, and you can answer all of the questions, and it will give your score when you're finished. So this is the site that you go to, quizstar.forteachers.org. You'll click on your class folder once you have been registered, and you can find all of the quizzes that I put up there for your practicing enjoyment.